everybody, and welcome to this video on the tan graph. In this video, we will be looking at the amplitude or the A parameter. Now, the tan graph is not like the cos graph at the minimum or maximum, so the amplitude will be having to look at different points. So the first one we have is y is equal to tan x, and that is our usual graph, the plane graph. And here we have y is equal to 2 tan x. So over here, the amplitude is 2. How would we notice this? Is at 45 degrees, our graph is usually 1. And now with the shifted one at 45 degrees, it will be 2. As you notice is that that A value makes it a lot more steeper than it was before. So a bigger A value makes it more steep. The second case that we have over here is y is equal tan x being compared to y is equal to minus tan x. In this case, our A value is -1. If we have a look at the white graph and compare the yellow graph, you'll see that this is the reflection about the x-axis. You'll see that at 45, it used to be 1 for the original graph, and for the shifted graph, now it is -1. The next one is the pink graph, which has y is equal to tan x and y is equal to 1/2 tan x. Here our A value is 1/2, so it's very small. Once again, you'll notice that it changes the steepness of the graph, and the pink graph is a lot flatter than the white graph. So the unshifted graph is more steep than the pink graph. So the smaller you're making it, the less steep it becomes. So the bigger your A value, the more steep, and the smaller your A value, the more flat. So as you can see by the pink diagram, that it is flatter. Once again, we're going to have a look at what it is for -1. I mean, what's the value at 45? And it will be 1 for the white graph and 1/2 for the pink graph. So that is how we tell the information about the amplitude of the tan graph. Please pay careful attention because unlike others, it doesn't have a minimum or maximum, so we have to pay attention to the slope of the graph to find out whether that has been changed. For more information on the tan graphs, please watch the other videos on the other parameters.